Hey, Twin 2 Turbo 87 here. Been a while since I've been on. Uh, Somebody commented on my Rabbit here and said do a video on it, so here we are. It's been sitting quite a while. I think I've had this car 6 or 7 years probably. Um, it's a 82 Rabbit convertible with a 97 Jetta 2 liter. And I paid $400 for the car. Had a 1.7 in it, and it'd been sabotaged. Somebody put steel wool in it. I don't know if it was a divorce or what the deal was. Anyway, I ran across a 97 Jetta for $500. Pulled the engine out of that, and the transmission's out of an 87 Cabriolet parts car I had. Other than that, we're doing a autocross in West Quincy, and I was building it for that at the time. Moved down here, down south, closer to St. Louis, and I just don't have time for autocross anymore. So this is a rear radiator setup, and it's been sitting quite a while. Forgive me for all the parts and shit in the back. This is just a eBay aluminum radiator for a Rabbit, and then I just had some pipe laying around, and goes through the firewall and comes out in copper and goes to the original location. So I'm probably going to switch this back to front radiator and make a drag car out of it. It's pretty rusty underneath, but like I said, I only paid $400 for it. The thing was, it was leaking. This is my second Rabbit, and I was daily driving this, naturally aspirated AVA, and it was leaking, and I forgot. I'm always getting a different car. I forgot what I got after this, and started gutting it for the track, and it was street legal like this, but it is obviously very gutted. There's no windows left in it. I did put an auxiliary pump here. This is a Bosch pump, I think from Mercedes. Otherwise, it's no dash. I did have the gauges in the stock Rabbit dash before. These are out of the 97 Jetta. It is on Megasport also. That's MS2, and that's just one of those kits you can get soldered together. That was cheaper than a C2 chip. Everybody says get a chip, but yet you just have so much more expandability with Megasquirt, in my opinion. I have it on 3 other cars too, and but yeah, simple plastic seat. I do have a full cage to put in this. I haven't put in it. I got a different cylinder head for it. I got a billet fuel rail for it, bigger injectors. It would be fun to get back into. I figured maybe if I got some more views, I would start getting back into this again. So it is pretty rough, but the whole idea was to see how cheap I can make it go fast. And it's only 7 pounds of boost right now, and almost everything that I got on it's from O'Reilly's and Ace. So I did add plastic bumpers to this. It had the original bumpers on when I got it. I remember I paid $700 for the turbo kit from a guy on Video Vortex, and he had it in a Mark III. So I knew everything would go on this engine. But I ended up with the fuel rail, the turbo, I don't know how big the turbo is. I was told it's a GT3040. It is liquid cooled. You can see it's pretty good size. It's got a 9-degree elbow on it there for the air filter, and it's just a log manifold. So yeah, I pretty much put this together, drove it around for a little bit, and got a job down here south, 2.5 hours from where I used to live, and it's been sitting ever since. Every once in a while I get out and do some burnouts with it, give people rides. That's about it. I mean, it's been sitting for over a year, and I bet you it'd start right up with a battery. So I ought to pull the car out of here so we get a better view of it out in the sunlight, but it's just sitting there in hibernation. So if you want to see more about this or see a hot lap, we get 5 subscribers, 5 likes maybe, or 5 comments. Just let me know you want to see some more stuff. I got 3 more turbo cars. Maybe we'll do a video on those too. Thanks for watching.